Hello, and welcome back to my 30-day meditation challenge. Today is day 17, and today we're going to do a 5-minute relaxation that I call a 5-minute pause. So find a place to sit down if you haven't already. Get nice and comfy, and I'll just remind you, if you just joined us today and you've never heard any of these daily guided meditations, or if you've been with me the entire time, what we're doing here in these 30 days is we're just practicing, experimenting. I'm trying to help you train your brain and body to allow you to sit still for a few minutes. And I'm trying to give you different ways, different approaches, different techniques. And then hopefully after 30 days, and you've sort of created a new habit, kind of shown your brain and body that it's safe and okay to sit still for a few minutes and just breathe and be. The to-do list will wait. Hopefully, at the end of 30 days of experimenting like this, you'll be able to take what resonated and leave the rest. Take the parts or the approaches or the techniques that worked for you and create your own sustainable meditation practice. And at the end of 30 days, if you still aren't quite sure, you're always welcome to reach out to me. My contact information is easy to find. You can always find me at pausefirst.com. Okay, settle in now, and we're going to take this 5-minute pause. This is your 5-minute pause. Take a nice deep breath, and let's take a few minutes here to relax and rest and quiet the mind. Inhale, focus your attention on your face, and as you exhale, allow your face to release all tension and just relax. And continue breathing deeply. Inhale, focus on your shoulders. Each time you exhale, release a little more tension from those shoulders and allow them to relax. And just keep breathing. Take a nice deep breath and focus your attention on your belly. As you focus your attention here, allow your belly to release and just relax your belly completely as you breathe and be. Just breathe. And now let's take a couple of minutes to continue breathing, releasing, relaxing. Just breathe and be. This concludes your 5-minute pause. Good job. Okay, well, that concludes day 17, so we'll do the wrap up here. I'd love to know how that went, so if you're so inclined, drop me a comment. I appreciate you being here. I hope to see you back tomorrow, and I for sure will be back tomorrow, so I'll see you then.